In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mail merge to a new document or directly to Printer in Word. By the end, you'll know exactly how to generate a combined document with all your recipients or send everything straight to the printer, depending on what you need. First, make sure your mail merge setup is complete. That means choosing the document type, like letters, envelopes, or labels, connecting your recipient list, and inserting the merge fields in the right places. Your recipient list can come from a spreadsheet or another supported source, and your merge fields should match the column names in that list, such as first name, address, or company. Place those fields where you want personalized information to appear. As part of this setup, take a moment to double-check formatting, spacing, and punctuation around the fields so the final output reads naturally when the data fills in. When your main document looks the way you want, go to the Mailings tab at the top of Word and click Finish and Merge. This is where you decide how to produce the merged results. If you want a new Word document that contains all the merged records, choose Edit Individual Documents. In the prompt that appears, select All and click OK. Word will create a separate section for each recipient inside a single new document. This is ideal when you want to review every letter, label sheet, or envelope before printing, make last-minute tweaks to individual entries, or save a finalized version. You can scroll through the document to confirm everything merged correctly, and then print or export from there as needed. If you're ready to print without creating that combined file, choose Print Documents from the Finish and Merge menu. You'll be prompted to select all records, the current record, or a specific range. Use this to limit printing if you only need certain entries. Click OK, and Word will hand the job off to your printer. Before you finalize, verify your printer settings. Confirm you're sending to the correct printer. Check paper size and orientation. Make sure any tray or feed options match your document type, and review duplex or color settings if applicable. For envelopes and labels, ensure the paper feed direction is set correctly. When everything looks right, click Print to start the job. That's it. Use Edit Individual Documents when you want a reviewable, editable merged file, or Print Documents when you want to go straight to paper. With these options, you can choose the workflow that best fits your project and timeline.